Are you planning to build a custom home? There are some common mistakes you should avoid. This video gives you a rundown of these pitfalls and how to steer clear of them. Point 1. Failure to plan ahead and stick to a budget. This mistake can lead to a lot of unnecessary stress and financial strain. To avoid this, map out your plans and budget well in advance, keeping in mind both your present and future needs. Stick to this budget as much as possible, and avoid making impulsive decisions that can inflate costs. Moving on to point 2, choosing a complex or inefficient design. While it might be tempting to opt for a unique or intricate design, remember that simplicity often breeds efficiency. A complex design can lead to higher construction and maintenance costs, not to mention it can be more difficult to sell down the line. Opt for a design that's both functional and aesthetically pleasing, without being overly complicated. Next up, point 3. Choosing the wrong builder or contractor. Your builder or contractor is the one who will bring your vision to life, so it's crucial to choose the right one. Do your research, ask for references, and make sure you feel comfortable with your choice. Point 4. Communicating poorly with the construction team. Clear and consistent communication is key in any construction project. Make sure your expectations are understood and that you're kept in the loop about any changes or issues that arise. Point 5. Overlooking future needs and preferences. Your custom home should not only cater to your current needs, but also accommodate potential changes in your lifestyle or family size. Think long-term when planning your design and features. Point 6. Not comparing and negotiating prices. When buying materials or hiring professionals, don't just go with the first option. Shop around, compare prices, and don't be afraid to negotiate. This can save you a significant amount of money. Point 7. Doing work that requires a license, permit, or specialized equipment. While it can be tempting to save money by doing some work yourself, this can lead to safety issues and potentially costly mistakes. Always hire licensed professionals for jobs that require specific skills or equipment. Point 8. Not using recycled or reclaimed materials. Not only can these materials save you money, but they're also more environmentally friendly. Look for opportunities to incorporate these materials into your design. And finally, point 9. Second-guessing yourself or making late decisions. This can lead to delays and extra costs. Trust your initial decisions and try to stick to your original plan. In summary, building a custom home can be a rewarding experience, but it's important to avoid these common mistakes. By planning ahead, choosing a practical design, picking the right builder, communicating effectively, considering future needs, comparing prices, hiring professionals, using recycled materials, and sticking to your decisions, you can ensure a smoother, more successful construction process. Remember, the goal is to create a home that's not only beautiful, but also functional, affordable, and sustainable.